5 hacks to improve home office productivity. It's never a good sign if you think you aren't as productive in your home office as you should be. If this sounds like you, then engage the following 5 hacks in your life to improve your home office productivity. 1. Change the light. Although artificial light is great when you need to work early in the morning or perhaps quite late at night, it simply isn't ideal for keeping your mind focused and awake. If you can, try to use natural light as much as possible when you work. This may be easy as opening a window or as difficult as moving your office to a new location. 2. Check the noise levels. Is your home office unbearably noisy? Do you often hear the sounds of people talking or the neighbor mowing the lawn? It's time to consider investing in a white noise machine or running fan. This will increase your productivity. You could additionally try listening to music. Make sure it's simple and not distracting. 3. Close the door. If you frequently leave your office door open for others to come in and ask you questions while you work, this could be destroying your productivity. It's time to close the door and let people know you will help them when you are done working. If you don't have a door, then consider at least getting an office partition. 4. Remove distractions. No one can work effectively when surrounded by constant distractions, so do everything in your power to remove any distractions from your home office. Get rid of the TV. Leave your cell phone in another room. And maybe even get rid of that distracting desk knick-knack you are always playing with. Whatever it takes. 5. Keep your home office clean. Last but not least, you need to keep your home office clean. Clutter is not only distracting, but it also damages productivity as it makes it difficult to find anything on your desk. Whether it is a physical or digital mess, time to take a few minutes to clean it up. It might take a few minutes, but it will help you tremendously in the long run. No matter what you think your problem is when it comes to remaining productive in your home office, use the above 5 hacks to turn it around. And before you know it, you'll be the most productive person working in your home office.